What's up, guys? Ryan with the MXG channel. We're out here at the Hatfield-McCoy Tornado Trailhead today, testing out the 2021 KX250XC. Thanks to Justin Elliott for letting me borrow this thing for the week to put it through its paces. I'm gonna see if a full-grown 38-year-old adult male, dad bod, 220 pounds, can enjoy a 254 stroke on a single track trail system like this. I know this bike's fun on the motocross track. I know it's fun on the GP, GNCC style quad courses, but is it single track worthy? How easy does it flame out? How easy does it stall? How easy does it get hot? Does it have tractable power? And just, is it fun? I'm gonna go figure that out today. Ride with me. If it was going to be wet or not. Absolutely dumped the rain a couple days ago. Might be some grimy areas to deal with. When did this get so gnarly? Just a reminder, I got the stock tire on here, so it's more of a motocross tire, and it's a crappy Dunlop. So it's not a cheater, it's not really made for this stuff, so this might be fun. Crack up that too bad. My biggest issue, I rode this on a little bit of single track at home a couple days ago, and my biggest issue is the gearing. Tractable power better than I thought it would, but I find myself having to be in first gear, and maybe if you're not 220 you don't have to be in first gear quite as much, but for me I'd immediately have to gear this thing down to make second carry me low end a little bit more, because I'm in first a lot, but first is way too torquey. Been a while since I've been on this trail, but everything is getting so gnarly because these trails see so much traffic. And this quad link, this quad stuff, Jamie can fix with a skid steer or whatever, but can't really do that on the single. This a bunch on the demo bike. having a decent shape, new, soft trail tire on this bike will make a huge difference. This is way more fun up a section like that than the two-stroke. Although it does wear on you a little bit more. Go 68. Some of these 60s can be trickily hard. I think a couple of these 60s are maybe harder than the 90s. Especially when it gets a little wet and greasy. Whoa! It's always a little sketchy too when you're used to riding with bark busters and then you don't have them. Okay, it just wraps around right there. I've got a big stick stuck in me. Okay, no sweat. Ooh, little slick off camber. This could be awful. And it was. Yep, I saw that happening. before it happened. Ah. Whoa. Sorry, Justin. Okay. Whoo. Yep. On a dry day, that wouldn't be much of a problem, but I went right for that route and I shouldn't have. And it's greasy today. Greasy with a crappy tire. Whoa. And no rear fender, which he told me was broke, but oh my God. Okay. See what I mean by a greasy day? Some of these 60s can be more challenging than the 90s. It looks like other people had the same issue. It just started going down this, so I don't feel as bad. Okay. Whoo-wee, boys.